Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Bentley station level crossing. Bear with me. This will be the 1651 Northern train service from Sheffield to Warwick. Here we are. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're kind enough, please don't like and subscribe. Oh, it's an L&ER. L&ER service. London King's Cross to Edinburgh. It is an L&ER. I didn't think they came through here. And up we go. Right, you know what? I'm better off looking at Doncaster now because I got that wrong. I'm not getting them wrong all the time. Here we go. Here we go again then. Okay, the time is 16:42. Tuesday the 6th of October 2022. This will be the 1643 L&ER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. Watch it now, it'll probably be a northern what comes. Probably. I don't think so, because it's at Donny now. It's just, yeah, it's at Doncaster now, so I should be coming soon. I'm better off at this wigwag, I think. These wigwags remind me of Rossington a bit. Somewhere better, somewhere new to come, I like it. There's no sign of him just yet. Today there's no trains between Scarborough and Bridlington due to a points failure. Barriers have been down approaching a minute. Here we are. Here's your Leeds as well. Here we are. It's going a bit quicker. To Leeds, and up we go. Might as well keep filming, there's another in 2 minutes. Right, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!